Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to go through how you can open TikTok on mute to avoid it just blasting out sound when you don't want it to. Okay, so the first thing we need to do on your iPhone is go over and click on the TikTok app. So let's open it. And as you can hear there's sound to it, so I'm just going to pause that for the video. Next thing we need to do is we need to go down to the bottom right hand corner where it says profile, and you're going to click on your profile. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top right hand corner where you see the three lines. So I'm going to click on the three lines. Okay, now we're going to pick the third option down, settings and privacy. Okay, so now we're going to go down to content and display. So once you're in content display, you're going to go halfway down, you're going to click on playback. So when we're playback, the top option here is going to be open TikTok on mute. So we want to scroll that across till it's highlighted. Okay, so now the next time we open TikTok, it should open on mute automatically. Okay, so if I open TikTok, which I'll probably have to go out of it. Okay, let's open TikTok. But it will open next time on mute next time you're doing it. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.